All right, everyone. Welcome to my training. Michael De La Cruz here, and today I just wanted to share a training on how to use the Kalatu blog to promote any business. Promote anything you want to promote yourself. Basically, a lot of people they're always asking me, "What is it that I do online?" And I do internet marketing. I promote myself. I show people how to promote themselves online through a blog, which is a branding station. So I'm very excited to show you how to do that in this quick video that I'm sharing with you right now. Again, my name is Michael De La Cruz. I started doing my online journey back in 2013. I didn't know that this actually existed until I stumbled upon an email that actually opened the doors for me to learn this useful skill. And this has allowed me to promote any business I decide to promote. I'm also a stylist and a barber, and I use the Kalatu branding station or blogging platform to promote myself for that. And I also have an online business which I get to I have the opportunity to actually get um, how can I put this? Get actually awesome commissions. You know, deposited in my account. So I'm going to talk to you about that later on. But right now, I just want to show you how I use my online or how to use the Kalatu blogging platform in order for you to promote any business you want. This can be a network marketing business. This can be your local business, your affiliate marketing business, whatever it is that you have. The Kalatu blogging platform can help you promote it on search engines as I don't know, to me, it sounds or it makes more sense to have something online that people are actually searching for, um, which I will go ahead and show you how to do that. A lot of people they're searching for example, um, in my hair industry career, people are searching for haircuts or how to get a highlights and or get a color, whatever it is. They're able to find the type of services we provide thanks to the Kalatu blogging platform, because you do need a website to have a presence online. Well, not just any website, a dynamic website, and that's why a blog is so very important to use as a tool for you to promote yourself and get customers, signups, clients from the internet. So I don't know. I'm so excited to show you. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here with this cool tool uh, that I learned how to use, and I hope you can get as much value as I did when I did not know anything about blogging or when I didn't know anything about the online world. There's a big audience on there. There's people searching for what you have to offer. You no longer have to chase, family and friends. You don't have to um, how can I put this? You don't have to bother anybody that, bother strangers in the streets on, how to, about your business. You can just actually promote a business online, and people that are searching for that will find you. It's all about giving value. So right now, let me go ahead and start with this incredible presentation on how to use the call out to branding station to promote your business. So let me go ahead and share my screen very quick. So my face is going to disappear. Right now, you're going to see my screen. Okay, there you go. As you can see, this right here is my, it's like the back end of my branding station. I'm going to show you how to get there right now. So let me go ahead and go to empowernetwork.com, which is the company that provides, this type of tools. And so I'm going to go ahead and log in. And if you're already in my team, part of Empower Networking, my team, you already know how to log in. And basically, if you're just starting out, you only need to log in, and you need to log in and start, click on this button here that says log in and start blogging. And if you're not in my team or in Empower Network, then this will be a great opportunity for you to, get familiarized with what is it that we do here. And basically, we just help ordinary people, make a living online, meaning that anybody that needs internet marketing education or that wants to, say, uh, you know, have an income online, they can actually come to Empower Network and achieve their goals and their dreams, whatever it is that you want to achieve. So right now I'm just going to log into my Kalatu blogging system, and there are two Kalatu memberships that you can get with Empower Network. The first one is the Kalatu Basic, and the second one is the Kalatu Premium. The Kalatu Basic, it it just have certain limitations, meaning that you get to have three blogs in your Kalatu, Basic. So what that means is that you can create the maximum of three blogs, and they can totally be separate. You can have a blog for your business, you can have a blog for you and your kids, and you can have another blog, let's say, for traveling. Whatever it is that you do, you can actually have everything separate. The Culture Premium allows you to get up to 10 blogs, meaning that if you have multiple things that you do that you're good at, or you would like to use it to promote different things. With the Kalatu Premium, you get more blogs that you can actually promote those things on. So, like I said, I'm excited to show you here what you're able to do. So just place close attention because this is very powerful, and with this basic skills, you can actually any business or any company that's willing to hire you for you to manage your website or for you to learn SEO, or for you to apply SEO, which is search engine optimization. Or with these skills, you can work for any company that you want to help them grow online too. Just an idea. I don't want to get there, too technical, because you do not have to be technical. And by the way, you don't need a Kalatu Premium. If you're only basic and you're starting out with the Kalatu Basic is enough. But then you eventually want to upgrade to the Kalatu Premium because of all the cool, um, excuse me, all the cool features that it offers. So first of all, what I'm going to do, what you want to do is once you log in to your Kalatu Premium, which I'm showing, or to your Kalatu blog, sorry, I'm going to show you right now. You want to create a brand new blog. Like if you're starting out and you just actually got your blog, I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. I already have created several blogs. So as you can see here, I got 4 blogs already created that I manage myself. And I use different blogs to promote different things. I want to keep things separated. I don't want to cause any confusion. I don't want to. I want to market to a specific niche, and depending on what the blog is about. One is about making money online, or it's about network marketing online, and the other one is about my wife's and I's business, which is our hair salon, where I cut hair and I get to assist people with their hair needs. And the other one is a Spanish blog, which I'm glad to say that I'm helping my Hispanic community from all over the world to really change their lifestyle. So I created a blog for that too. I created my own personal blog, which is the journey into hair. How I started and how I began to into the how I started in, the hair industry, how I ended up in it. So I create a blog that I will share that too. So just for demonstration, I'm going to create a brand new blog so you can know what to do, and you can pause this video anytime, go back to it if you miss any points. So let's say I want to create a brand new blog. Let's call it Mike's blog. This is just an example. This could be, you can name it your business name. If you have a local business, you can use it that. If you have a passion that you want to share to the world, you can use it for that. So let's name Mike's business blog, for example. And then the title can be business. This could be whatever you want it to be. Again, oh, okay, I have an apostrophe or an apostrophe. So for the site name, I would suggest for you to use either your name. I'll explain to you why in a minute. So I'll give it my name here. Either your name or the name of your business or whatever, whatever you can connect with. But I will show you what is about. I can call this home business coach. This is just an example. You can, this could be anything, any business you're promoting. I'm going to call it home business coach. Some people online are searching for home business coach or mentor, and this can be used to target that. So you can be fine on the internet. So what I'm doing, I'm going to create my first blog. Okay, since that I have something here. Okay, let's see what's going on. Add, can I include no spaces? Okay, there we go. So saying invalid site name. Okay, I truly apologize here. Okay, for the last try. Okay, so you're going to get a message saying that your new blog was successfully created. Truly apologize for that delay on there. So basically, try typing your site name with hyphens, whatever the site name is, no spaces at all, or else you will get an error saying that that you can only include letters and some characters in there. So my blog was already created, and you can see how fast it is. It just creates it for you right away. So I want to go to that blog, which will be listed here that I just created. And you can delete these at any time you want. Um, if you want to restart another, blog all over, you can delete it anytime. Maybe you thought of a different name. So as you can see there, a blog was created, and this is how it actually looks like. This is how it's going to look like. I'm going to go back. I just click on the link. So I want to go to that specific blog. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to customize it. So customize it. I'm going to connect my social media. Right now, I'm going to skip that part, but right as you can see here, you can connect your blog or your website with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And this is, is good. That's a good thing about a blog is that it's so dynamic that you can actually, have people interact with it through any of these social medias. So I'm going to click next. And right now, just verifying the name of the blog. You have to choose this carefully because it cannot be changed in the future. That's what the blog title. Let's see. Well, actually, this too can be changed because you already added it. Name this Achieve Success. Whatever your slogan is for your business, that's totally up to you. I'm going to click save and continue, and then just start blogging. So as you can see how easy it is, just basically answering a few questions. After you set those things up, your social medias, whichever you want to connect to your blog, then all you want to do is you want to customize it to your preference. The beautiful thing I like about Kalatu is that to do all this stuff, yourself, um, you have to go to some kind of technical, I would say, school to understand all this stuff, meaning that you have to pay way a lot more money to, learn the codes and learn how to move images, learn, web design. Kalatu is already it's already built in out of the box, ready for you to use and ready for you to promote things, promote your business, promote yourself, whatever it is that you want to do, you can use Kalatu to achieve those, your goals. So let's go to the customization. When I want to customize my blog, I want to go to themes first because I want to choose, let's say I want to choose a different themes or the way it looks. So I'm going to hit themes. And the cool about the themes, once you go to it, you can see how is it going, how they're going to look. Now, I know this here says empower and hour, but all of these are customized. You can customize it to your own preference. Right now, I'm using theme 2. So let's say if I want to use theme 1 as an example. You don't have to. You can actually go through and scroll down. Um, and you have, some available themes here that you can use. And depending on what you want it to look like, if you're like in the health industry, you can use for here this green machine. That's if uh you kind of like you're all about fitness, about eating healthy. You can use green, which green color kind of like represents healing. It represents healthy eating. So yeah, you can actually choose any of these right now. To show you, I'm just going to use theme 1. So all I got to do is just click that button that says activate down here. Yep, click on activate, and that's it. So my theme is already activated. You will see it will say customize on here. You can either click customize It will take you to how to customize your, to customizing your blog or your website. Or you can come here on the side where it says theme settings. Theme settings. So once you go to theme settings, okay, it's just loading up. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, once you go to theme settings, this is so cool. Like right on the side, you can actually see what your website is going to look like. As you can see my name here on the top, you can see the home, contact me, my 21 blogging challenge. All of this here up here can be changed, and all these banners and things on the side all can be changed. All these links, all these banners down here, they all can be changed. They all can be changed to your preference. I mean, if you don't want to have any connection to any of these banners, you can actually change these. And let me show you. For example, right here under general, let's say we want to change this banner up here, and you want to put a banner of your business or a banner, of yourself, of your preference. You can always come here and you can actually come here and you can actually customize even like the navigation up here bar. For example, navigation bar, that's what that bar color, that's what this means right here. So you can change this to, I want to change it to red, for example, to see what happens before I save and publish. It will show you what it will look like. If you don't like it, you can change to a different color, but you can see on the screen that it already changed the color. If you like it, then you just hit save and publish. And let's say you want to add a background picture or a background, image. You can do that here. Right now it says no image, but if you say you have an image you want to, put on the background, you can actually do that if you want. In order to change this banner here, what you're going to do, let me close this down. You're not going to go to general, but you're going to go to home page header. That's what this is called right here, is the home page header. And as you can see here the image on the side that is showing what is already on there. If I wanted this to be different, I can upload a new photo from my computer. If you don't like this, you want to change it for a banner, I can upload something from my computer. So let's say I go to upload new. Okay, and the screen will open. And right here it says the optimization, it can only be 960 by 350. That's like kind of like the size of the image. It has to be that amount. So if you have an image that you would like to upload as a banner, let me find one very quick for you. Again, you can always, do so. Okay, so I chose a photo already, or an image, and I already uploaded it. This is just an example. You see, you just uploaded a banner or an image. I just click on any image and I uploaded it. If it's something like my Facebook cover photo, I can upload that. There's so many cool free tools out there, like, that you can Google, that you can actually create banners for your website. So that was just an example there. If I wanted that to be the banner, I know it doesn't look right. It's just a banner I just chose any image off my computer just to show you an example that this can totally be customizable. So as you can see, a demonstration there. It's very simple. You know, upload new, then you can upload any image from your computer and put it on here, and it will be automatically uploaded. Do you know how many years of school you have to go through to learn this? If you're trying to build your own blog on your own, you have to do a lot. You have to pay a lot of money to learn codes, and after that, it might take you probably like 6 more months to get a website up, or you know, you had to pay somebody a crazy amount of money to do that. This Kalatu, for example, the basic is only $25 a month. That's basically probably about or less than than a cheap dinner, um, let's say a Denny's, McDonald's, or you know, a restaurant that you go to. So you know, for that much, this thing is like pretty given, and it will be, you know, everything is hosted for you, and you also get additional training. Like me, for myself, I personally train people in my team on how to use this, and I actually share this type of trainings on a, you know, almost on a daily basis with my team and, you know, people that want to learn. So, you know, it's some pretty cool stuff, what you got here. So now that you know how to customize, let's say this banner right here, let me show you one more. You can change this banner to, um, where did you go to do that? I'm going to show you. You go scroll down where it says bad banner ad settings, because this is an advertisement. This is like a campaign that you know, that is running. You actually get this when you become an affiliate from Power Network. You have the opportunity to earn high commissions from 100% commissions on, you know, some products to 70% commissions. Um, so what I'm talking about here, you can earn from between $17.50 or 17, yeah, $17.50 on, you know, commissions all the way to $3,000, you know, commissions with, you know, with a campaign, with a funnel that is already done for you. So right here, this banner is a campaign that it has video or a presentation that says if it's true, you know, is it true that people are actually making 5 to 6 figures per month working from home? I can testify to that because this is legit and it is true. So the presentation will tell them whether that's, you know, true or is it all hype. And it will, you know, give them a presentation on how, you know, how they can, you know, people that go through the how they can also, you know, make a living online. So, but again, the purpose of Kalatu is to use it to, you know, for your own use. If you want to use it for that, you want to, you know, you want to promote the products, you can do it. If you want to promote your own business, you can also do that too. You can change this again. You don't want to run any campaigns pertaining to a different business. You can remove that banner. So how do I do that? Just scroll down to where it says banners and ad settings. You want to middle of the post block banner. What that means is that you can actually insert a banner when you put up image on there. You can insert. You can see right now there's no image. You can insert a banner that's going to be posted on the middle of a blog post that you make, you know, or an article that you write about. So that will be inserted automatically for you if you have this option here enabled. So to move this side banner, to remove that, you can actually go where it says top side banner, because it's right here, it's on the top, but it's on the side. So if I wanted to disable that, this right here will disappear. If I want to disable that, see how it disappear right away? Um, yeah, you can actually disappear. If I wanted to add my own banner on there, I would just simply go to upload new, or I can go to the media library because I already uploaded an image. The image that I uploaded on the homepage banner, I can upload the same here on the side, just as an example, but you can go back to your computer and say upload new and upload any banner you want. So let me open the new library because anything that you upload you will have a library for it in case you want to use it in the future. So if I go to media library, I can see the image that I uploaded earlier. I'm going to click insert. Um, Let me go ahead and enable this very quick. And you see the banner of that. This is actually a banner that I use on my wife's and I's hair salon business or local business. We use that to so people can book online or they want to call us. They can book an appointment online to get their hair done, to do facials, whatnot, all of those good stuff, services that we provide. So as you can see, there's a banner right here on the side. And I just added that from my computer. Like I said, you can go to your computer once you upload it. Once you have a few images that you're going to use in the future, you can always go to your library to use it. So, it's that simple. Just upload you. Can you see the how powerful this is? So if I want to keep this, I can just go to save and publish. And let's say if I want to remove this banner down here, I can do that by switching this banner ad settings to footer banner, which is, it's a footer. If I disable that, I don't check that box where it says enabled, and then it disappears. And then all these links right here can be changed as well. You can customize that, which I will go over that. Right now, I just want to kind of like give you a quick guideline on how to use the Kalatu blog and how to customize it to your preference. If I wanted to add a photo of myself right here, if I want to personalize it a little bit more, I think I can always go to social cards settings. Oh, and by the way, these banners, like the side banners that you add them here, you can actually add a link. If it's a banner, if you're promoting a different business, you can add a link to it right here where it says URL. When somebody clicks on this, when somebody clicks on that, you want to add a link on here. So when people click on it, you actually they will actually be directed to a different website. Let's say you have a website for your business, a different website, and you want to use that for to make it more interactive. You can actually add people a link on here so people can be directed to another website or a different how can I say this? Or maybe a different a lead capture page. I talked to about that in my website too. What are lead capture pages and stuff like that. Or any business you might have local, you want to get them to a different page, you can add a link on here to that page, so when people click on it, they get directed to a different page. Hope that makes sense. uh, okay, so but anyways, you saw how I just removed this banner down here, and let's say I want to save and publish. Oh, sorry, I got a little sidetracked. I was going to show you how to add a photo, because right here you can only, if you want, you can only have a banner up here of your business. But if you want to, let's say, personalize it, make it something personal, you can add a photo of you, like a little photo here, kind of like in a Facebook. You know how you see a photo here, like a square with a photo on there. You can do that with Kalatu. And I'm going to show you how in a bit. So we scroll here where it says social card settings. And you can always change the name if you want to change it to the name of your business. You can do that. Um, let's say I want to add a business, add a photo of myself. I simply go to pictures. I'm going to go my pictures on my computer. Okay. Okay, so I hit open. Okay, and there you go. There's a picture of me right there, um, of myself, Michael De La Cruz. And I can change the border. You see how the border of the picture is black? I can go ahead and go over here and change it to red or maybe blue. Um, it will change here in a second. You see, change to blue, or I can go red. Like it will show you how it's going to look like as as you change it. Then if I like it, then I can hit save and publish. So right there, I'm done with the customization. You see how simple it was. Again, this up here can be changed in the menu, like the home. You can change those names to it, and everything is pretty much built in and ready for you to start generating, traffic, is that's what you want, generating leads. That's the format that is on. And again, you can always go back to themes and change to whatever theme you like. This is just an example of theme number one that you can use out of so many. And with Kalatu Premium, in case you wonder, Kalatu Premium, each month it gives you a new theme that you can use, and it gives you like new, tools that you can actually use to kind of like increase your traffic, which is people, traffic is just visitors, people looking for stuff on the internet. So when, with Kalatu Premium, it actually helps you put more tools into your blog and kind of like to help it, skyrocket and help it to be found on the internet. So that's basically your blog is done, ready to be customized. And so once you customize it, the next step is just basically to create a post. Um, Before doing that, I'm going to show you what the blog is going to look like. So you can either go up here and visit site to see what it looks like. You see, this is basically what your website looks like. And you saw as I created, I customized it. This can only take you, this doesn't even take that long. I mean, I'm on the video walking you through, I'm doing it slowly. That's why, probably took me a while. But basically, you can do this thing in minutes, customize your website to however you want it to look. You can use the theme that you ever wanted to look. And again, all of this can be changed and be customized to your preferences, depending on what business you're promoting. Um, that's simply it. This post right here, that can be deleted. That's something that comes with you, or it comes built in once you get access to your blog. It's just to give you an example. You can keep that there, but you can remove it and put your own post. So the next thing you want to do once you customize your blog, you want to create a new post. And basically, this is creating content. Content is what's going to attract. Um, this was going to get visitors to your website. So, for example, let me give you an example. I'm going to create a new post. If you never blogged before, this is the cool thing about Kalatu. There is a plugin here called the 21-day blogging challenge. I'll show you what that's all about in a bit. But right now, I'm just going to create a quick post so you can kind of like have an idea of what is it um, that the Kalatu is here to do for you. So adding a new post is actually creating, you're going to create content on your blog. You're going to start creating content. The more often you do this, the more Google sends traffic, because Google, like search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Uh, wait a minute. Yeah, Bing and Yahoo are the same thing. So, search engines like Google, for example, they like seeing fresh new food or new content. So that's why our blog is more is more powerful than just a plain static website, because you can update it constantly. So basically what you do when you create a new post, you're creating a new home for your blog. Like is it the it seems like it has different pages, so you're constantly doing this. So Google looks at that and they say, wait a minute, this person has new food. Let me send traffic, depending what keyword you're going to use. And I'll talk to you about keywords. Keywords are basically um, it's kind of like a training or technique that I show people, and that Empower Network shows people in the internet marketing world, because knowing how to use keyword in your blog post will help you get it, let's say, ranked on the search engines. What I mean by ranked, make it appear on the search engines. Somebody's searching for something for that keyword, they're going to show you, Google's going to find which sites have that keyword and going to send that person that's looking for that specific thing, to that website. So let's say if I'm targeting a keyword, this is just a simple example, how to make money from home. If you're like in a different business like real estate, or in the hair industry, whatever it is that you're doing, it doesn't matter. You can actually put, use keywords that is targeting that. So you can see how this is actually more targeted, and makes more sense than simply just going out and chase strangers. Um, Basically, that's the power of learning this basic things, this basic techniques that will help you be found online. And when people are searching for how to lose weight and stuff like that, that's because you already put those keywords on your blog post. So for now, I'm just going to say how to make money from home. I'm going to use that keyword. That's how to make money from home um, quickly. That's a keyword. So please write this note down. This is what you want to do. This is just a keyword. In order to make sure that you're ranked on the Google search engines, you want to make sure that you have your keyword on the title. See right here, this is the title. This was going to go where it says add new post on the title. You want to make sure that you have your keyword down here. You know what I want to do? Let me go to a post, something that I already posted. It's gonna go to all posts so I can show you an example. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna go with that because the posts are, this is a brand new website. I just wanted to see how it's going to look. So how to make money from quickly. Let's say if I want to add this, you want to add this in your description. This whole area here pertains to the description of your, of the title or what you're actually posting about. So let's say I can say something about like, you want to know how to make money from home. I'm doing this on purpose. Because I want Google to know that this is the keyword that I'm targeting. So I'm putting on a specific location. So you always want your keyword to be on the title. You want it to be on the first paragraph. As you can see, when I highlight this, it says how to make money from home. Right here in the title, how to make money from home quickly. Okay, we can go quickly. To be more specific, I can go quickly. So how to make money from home quickly. So that's on my first paragraph. The next thing you want to do, once you have it on the first paragraph, you want to use the following. You can bold it. You can actually use heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So you want to make sure you use heading 1 with your keyword in it, And then let's say you want to go to YouTube and you want to share a video that somebody else created on how to make money from home, quickly. You can always go to YouTube and you can add a video on here. How do you do that? Let me show you. So let's say I go to youtube.com. Make money from home, and I'm searching for make money from home. Okay, so I see a video here by this person. He posted how to make money from home fast. That's kind of like relevant to what I'm posting about. Quickly, fast, almost the same thing. And this is just an example. If you have a company that actually
Hi, my
is,
name is Jim.
you have a company that actually have similar video. Let's say you want to find a video from, for somebody else that created how to make money from home, using the company that you're promoting. You can look for that too, and something relevant to it, and you can actually use that to put that on your blog post. So this is going to be very quick. So how to make money online. In order to add this to my blog, I need to find the embed code. That's what it's called. So I'm going to scroll down, click on share. I'm going to click on embed, and I'm going to copy this. You just copy and paste. It's that simple. So I want to copy this to my blog. I need to switch this from visual to text, because text is it's kind of like a coding language that will actually communicate with my blog. So you see how you don't have to know codes to do this. It's about copying and pasting and following instructions the first time, and then it just becomes second nature. When I go to visual, you're going to see a square like this, and that's going to tell you that there's a video on there. So do you want to make money? Do you want to know how to make money from home quickly? Then you can say watch this video to learn how to make money from home quickly. Just from home, yeah, quickly. So I can do on this. I know that I use heading 1 on this one, or H, let me add that K on there. Now I want to add H2 on this one, which is heading 2. It's a title, it's a command. It's telling you that this is important. So you can see now I have my title, I have my keyword on my title, I have it on the do you want to know how to make money from home quickly? What or man, watch this video. Sorry about that. And I have right here on a heading 2. So heading 1, and when you select any of these words here, it's going to tell you what heading it is. So this one's heading 1, so I want to use it on heading 2. You see change to 2, and I have it right here on my title. And if possible, you want to say something else about how do you make money from home. You can add something and use the same keyword and use H3 for that keyword phrase. So something very important, once you scroll down, you also want to use a keyword on the tags. So you're going to go here on the tags, super, super important. So what I do, I copy this and paste it on the tags. And you want to add about maybe one, maybe one to three, tags on there. From home, training. That's something simple. And this right here where it says SEO, this is so important. because this is going to optimize your post. It's going to tell the search engines what your post is all about, and it's going to help you rank on the internet. So when you scroll down, make sure that you fill this up. All you got to do is just copy. Again, you know how to copy and paste. You are an expert on this. Copy and paste the title. Paste it on there, and then you want to put some keywords on there. Again, you can put the same keyword on there. Make sure they're comma separated. And again, this is very, very easy. You can actually make a blog post in like 10 minutes once you get the hang of it. Um, and I'm going to show you a tool, a plugin that can help you, you know, create a profitable blogging within 21 days. You know, just to help you get started and help you, you know, get into the habit of doing this. So, you know, how to make money from home quickly, how to make money from home fast. From home fast. That could be another keyword. I'm going to cover keywords in a different video, show you what I use to, you know, search for keywords. In this video, I'm just showing you a presentation on kind of like a demo on how to use the Kalatu blog, you know, for your business. Again, this is just an example. It doesn't have to be for the make money online niche. It's a big niche, or it doesn't have to be for home business. Um, I'm in the industry, so I do it for that. It could be for your local business as well. So, you know, it could be for any business, your local business. You have a, well, you know, you have like a hardware store or whatever. This can be used for that. You can, you know, you want to, let's say, post your products that you carry. You can use a blog to do that. And I'm showing you, giving you examples here on how to optimize it. So, you know, you can be found online and, you know, achieve customers pretty much. So, you see, you can, right here, for example, you can add up to, you know, 5 keywords on there containing the keywords that you're using. Again, you can see how to make money from home quickly is my keyword, and I'm using it on the SEO keywords. And then I just add a description on, with a keyword in it on what this post is about. So I can say, for example, a an useful training video on how to make money home quickly. Yeah, so let's say that's my description. Then the cool thing about Empower Network is actually gives you a call to action button here, and there's different things you can use. These right here, the Truth or Hype, are actually, if you're an affiliate, you can promote the Truth or Hype promotion. It's just giving the person an opportunity to watch an interview or watch a presentation that will explain them, you know, what products, you know, are offered. This is if you decide to be an affiliate with us. The affiliate fee is $19.90, 1995. Affiliate fee is 1995, $19.95. You know, for you to be an affiliate and to qualify to earn high commissions. For example, we have products here that cost $1,000. That product itself, what it does, it actually teaches you how to use this blog. Like there's a product called 50K Formula in that product, and you can actually learn and apply what is being taught in that product, and you can actually become like a, you know, they might call you like the blogging guru, or the online marketing guru, whatever you want to call it. Very, very powerful training. So as a suggestion, I would definitely suggest you to get that product, because that way you can, you know, really optimize and learn the most up-to-date strategies on how to make this whole blog thing, you know, work. Because, you know, when you, let's say when you invest in your education, when you invest in your education, you learn, new techniques and new strategies. You're actually freeing yourself up and you're giving the opportunity for you to grow. So the strategies, taught in the 50K formula and the product called the team building formula, you will learn how to make this whole, how to make this whole thing work. It's actually higher level education on internet marketing. And if you want to build a team too, let's say if you're in the network marketing industry, you want to learn how to build a team and how to cultivate a team, because it's easy to recruit people or to get signups, but it takes skills to maintain a team. So that product there will teach you, and it comes with a 50K formula, which will give you techniques on how to blog and more cool stuff on that. So when you become an affiliate, now let's say you decide to become an affiliate, you get that product. Not only you will learn high valuable, quality information, but you will also have the opportunity to earn 70% of, commission off that product. Meaning somebody buys that product, you get a $700, commission. Makes sense? All right. So, right here, like I said, is select call to action. And if you don't want to promote any of these here, you can always go to, let's say, social share, or you wanted people to comment on your post, you can click a comment, or you want people to agree or disagree. Let me just choose comments, think one, and you will see what that will look like in a second. This right here down here is for Facebook, how it's going to look on Facebook. Let's say if I want to add an image that that I want people to see on Facebook, I can go ahead and upload. I can choose an image from the media library or from my computer by going to uploading it. Let's say I want an image of myself on there. Probably the image is a little too small. Okay, let me choose one I do for the banners. And you see, this is what people are going to see. Again, this can be an image. You can always get images from Google Images, or you can put your own image on there. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm just giving you an example, and and helping you see how powerful this thing is. Let's say if I want the video to be featured on the top of the blog, let me show you. So I think, yeah, I believe this post is ready. Just go to publish, and once you hit publish, this will be sent out to the internet, and ready for people to start, seeing it. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go ahead and now that you know what your back end of your blog or website looks like, let me show you what it looks on the front. Okay, so this is how my post looks on the front. See, that's how it's going to look. People are going to find this. It's already optimized on the internet, and they will be able to kind of like, see what you're offering. It's pretty much very targeted because they're actually searching for the keywords that you're using. So they are going to, they're going to see, they're going to click on that, and they're going to watch, what you're offering, because everything is congruent, everything is the same as what you're stating it is. You're not putting here how to make money online and then have a video on how to train your dogs. Makes sense? Okay, so basically that's it. So let's say if I want to make this video pop up here on the on the top, so people can see it as soon as they visit the website. All I got to do is, let me go back to the post. I want to take the URL of that video, so I can just make a right click on this where it says get video URL. I can copy that, close, and then I can put this on my blog. If you scroll down, it says where it says feature image. I can change this here where it says single view. I can change here to video, and then I put my YouTube video or Vimeo, and then I update. Go to the site here, update it. And then when I click here on view post, you will see where the video is at. Okay, it's not showing up. Takes a little while to generate. Hmm. Okay, so let me do this. I'm just gonna copy this. Probably the URL wasn't okay, so so copy that up, that URL. Okay, there we go. So it seems that the video has to be copied directly from the YouTube page, the exact URL from it, and then you go to and you put that down here where it says enter YouTube or Vimeo video URL, and that's how you can get the video, to be shown right away when people log in, and it will be shown down there too. But this is like making it more. People go to your website. That's the first thing they see is your video by just scrolling down. Okay, so there you go. Now you have an example of all the things you can do with a Kalatu blog. I will keep making more, little videos. This one is a little longer because I wanted to give a thorough, kind of like a thorough explanation on how to do this. And again, this is being recorded, so you can access this anytime. You can pause it, and, go back to it and go over it. And, apply what you're learning from this. And you will definitely start getting traffic to your site, and you will start generating leads, if this is the case. Or if you have a local business, you already got yourself out there. Um, there's a lot of things, again, you can do with this, with the Kalatu. So that is all for now. Again, if you have any questions, or you would like me to show you a different, technique, or, just let me know. I will go ahead and make you a video, or, a training, or I'll respond back telling you, if you need any information. And again, I'll be more than glad to help you out. You can always click on the link below this video, and it's going to give you a presentation on the Truth or Hype series, which is an interview. It kind of explains if it's true that people are actually making money online or not. And you also get a glimpse on more on the Kalatu and all the other products that will make you be a more successful person, both in your personal life and in your business life as well. That's if it's the case that you want to make money online, or you want to learn more about internet marketing. So I just want to thank you so much for watching this video, and let me go back here to my screen. I'm going to stop sharing very quick. Okay, there we go. I'm back, guys. Again, it was a pleasure to show you this demonstration. I hope you got way more value than you really expected. I hope you wrote some notes on this. If you have any questions, you need to, you need me to clarify, something else. Just, leave me a comment. Send me an email. Feel free to ask me whatever questions you want. We can connect on Facebook too. There's a link or on the menu that says "Contact Me" is going to take you to my Facebook page, and there we can communicate better if that's what you prefer. Anyways, this is Michael De La Cruz. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day or wonderful evening, depending where you're at in the world. Bye. Take care.